Getting in some breaking inputs now. NCB probe is only getting bigger with two more TV actors that have now been summoned for questioning. So clearly it seems like the NCB widens its drug probe post the arrest of Riya Chakrabarti, Shouvik Chakrabarti and several of these drug peddlers. Now we're getting in an update as to how two television actors have also been summoned for the probe. Let's go across to my colleague Atul now joining us live with more on this. Atul, please share more details of these two television actors who have now been summoned by the NCB for further probe.
Well, Sanam and Abhigal Pandey are said to be summoned by the NCB officers, and they have been summoned today, and they will be joining the probe in the coming days. Their names have been cropped up during the course of investigation. That is why they were among the 25 actors who are yet to be summoned. So no doubt they are the very small name in the industry, and the sources are confirming that they are working for the televisions as of now. And but also the sources are saying that their summoning was necessary because during the course of investigation there are few chats, there are few electronic evidences such as in the form of the SMS and the WhatsApp screenshot as well as the email, which confirms that they were also in all these syndicates. So that was the reason NCB had to summon them, and they will be joining the probe. As of now, the NCB officers are only confirming that the two have been summoned. And in what connection they are not divulging the more information. But if we'll talk about the sources, they have confirmed that these two men, Abhigal Pandey and Sanam, were very much active in all this case, the drug peddling, the purchasing, the procuring and the consuming. But as of now, what the NCB, when they will join the probe, has not been mentioned by the NCB officer.
Right. All right, thank you so much, Atul, for getting us the latest updates. So two more television actors have now been summoned by the NCB. We'll wait and see what really comes out of their interrogation.